Hello, you naughty, naughty, naughty people. How are we all doing today? Well, I've just sold one of these, so I'm going to make another one to replace it. It's 1 peso. So, hope everybody's doing fantastic. Mr. Wonderful is absolutely feeling wonderful today as well. So first of all, we're going to punch a hole in it. Yeah, it's cold now, 0. Blue skies though. Blue skies are pretty good. And these coins are quite hard to make. They're quite a tough coin. So we'll go over to Lady in Red. She's still called Lady in Red, but it will be changing soon to something else. I'm still getting people's suggestions. Right. Yeah, these are quite tough coins. Oh, baby. That went through. I think. So what's the latest gossip then? You got any gossip for me? Where are you all watching from? And if you'd like to hit the like button, I really would appreciate it. I need some love off you people, you know. It's Sunday. I don't get much love on a Sunday. You know what I mean? Nobody loves me. My cats don't even love me. They always sit on my girlfriend. They never sit on me. Unless I've got a ham sandwich, then Otto, the boy cat, comes and sits on my leg wanting some ham. Typical. And as soon as he's had a bit, he buggers off. But there you go. He's a great pussy cat. If you'd like me to make you a custom ring, I happily will do so. With joy and excitement. This just cleans up that inside edge. You just want to make sure there's no splits or cracks forming or palm trees growing in there, or, you know, you don't have a Mini Cooper parked in there or shit like that. Alright, what we got? What do we got? Okie dokie. So now I will show it a bit of love with Bernie. Where's Jaws? There he is. Yeah, so I will say this again. I don't know if I'm going to say it on every video, but I got an email from a guy who bought one of my rings. I mean, I've sold loads of rings, even locally, and I've never had this before. He was evidently hyper allergic to it. Now, I do clear coat my rings, and under every photograph in my shop, if you look at a ring, if you go down, it'll tell you all about it and what it's made of. Now, a lot of the old British coins are copper nickel, you know, 75% copper, 25% nickel, but it's always in the description. Now, if you're, pretty okay, the clear coat does the job. But he must have been hyper, really bad. And I mean, I felt for him, but it does say under every photograph what they're made of. So check it out. If you are a bit worried, don't buy a ring. Simple. Right, I'll shut up now. This is going to have to be the sunny side up because it's beautiful. So we'll bring out dimples. And I'll give it a bit of the old one too. Right. Let's try this one, shall we? I'll go over. It's a big red. Big bad red. I'm going to give it a bit of the old hoochie coochie. Oh, baby. There you go. So, we now need one of these 17-degree folding dies. Let's get a bit of a clean. It's a bit sad in there, isn't it? We get a bit of jollop. Too much. Perfect. And we need our cone. This little magnet. And you just want this nice and levelish. Nice and easy, does it every time. The magnets are great, I love it. You get it just perfect, look at that, beautiful. It's like space shuttle docking. Right, what have we got? We've got that. Now I just want to clean up the edge. Make sure, that's the sandpaper. I've cleaned up my table. Look, it ain't too bad. It looked like a bomb had gone off the other day. I'd like to take a couple of shelves down for my new press to go on the table. Maybe if I get the rest of the room looks like a bomb site, but there you go, beautiful. Right, I'll just give you this little clicker and I'm going to anneal it again. Okay, I just annealed it again. So now we'll go over to spike and we've got a bit of bog roll, toilet tissue, sorry about that. Right, and this is a ring stretcher, just in case you didn't know. And it does what it says on the box, it stretches your ring. Right. I haven't done one of these coins for a long time. I remember when I first started doing this game, I got a load of these 1 peso coins and there was a bugger to do, but for some reason, this ain't behaving too badly. You're just looking to get that bow out of it. I want to give it a bit more love with Bernie, so I'll be back in a second. You have another clicker. Okay, I just re-annealed it. Another bit of bog roll, toilet tissue, sorry about that. And get a bit more. You just want to get the bow out of it. This isn't for anybody in particular, I'm just replacing the one that a certain chap bought. We've got a fresh piece of toilet tissue. It's a great word, isn't it? It makes me sound very, very posh. I say, could you pass me the toilet tissue, please, darling? Darling, could you pass the toilet tissue? I'm going for a dump. Hey, come on. Right. We're nearly there. So's Christmas. Shut it. Right. Right. How's it looking? There you go. No bow. That's pretty sexy if you ask me. So as these are tough little, I nearly swore there, as these are tough little coins, I'll give it a bit more love with Bernie. You can have another one of these. Okay, I've just annealed it again. So we go to the bottom end of the spike now, and we want to find one of these. There's a little bit there, but not much. And just want it nice and square. Then you give it a bit of the old hoochie-coochie-coo. There you go. One. I'll turn it over. Because we're looking, you just want to straighten them up. That ain't too shabby. There you go. What size we got? We have a size 11 3/4. That will do. So what I'll do now is I will break out Dave the Dremel, and we'll put in Kate Bush. You just want to get the fire scale off it, clean it up a bit. I did forget. Let's see that lip. We want to get that out. Because it makes it, and it's quite a big lip in there as well. See that? We want to get that out. Otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear. And like all my rings, I do clear coat them, but I do not clear coat them until I've sold one in the shop. Just in case it needs adjusting, which ruins the clear coat. So when you buy one of my rings, I will clear coat it for you. It takes a day and a half to dry, sometimes two, depending on the weather. You know, the ambient temperature and all that sort of malarkey. It's all very scientific, isn't it? Right. Now that is good. There's no lip in there at all. That is now gone. So we shall now get rid of Kate. We'll whack in Felton John. And I'll give it a bit of the old polish. I forgot to put the lid on again yesterday. Typical. Right, let's see what we got. I'm getting a bit warm. Ouch. So if you're not subscribed and you'd like to subscribe, there's a little red button bottom right hand corner of this video. You hit that, stuff happens. And you want to hit the like button for me, I really would appreciate it. Or if you don't like the video, hit the don't like video, you know. I'm pretty lucky at the moment. I don't get that many haters unless it's unless it's a new British coin. Then I get a bit of shit chucked at me, but hey, that's okay. I can handle it. Right. Nice clean cloth. Yeah, it's come out rather nice. I haven't made one of these for a long time. What we got? How's it looking? See, that's why you use the toilet tissue. It keeps all the detail on the inside of the ring. And there's the outside, or as I call it, the sunny side up. Very pretty, aren't they? Nice straight walls. So what size we get in the end? This is a size, focus please. Will it focus or not? 11, 12, yes, it got bigger because I took that lip out. That's 12 and a quarter. So it fits this ring perfectly. It fits this ring perfectly. It fits this finger perfectly. Thanks for watching. Hit the buttons for me. Try and make someone smile. Don't let the bastards get you down. And I hope you all have a great week. And I'll see you on the next episode. Have some of this.